Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Donna, and for those of you not new, I appreciate every single one of you so very much for coming. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5, I believe. I am super happy to be doing Vlogmas this year. I was super excited to get it set up. I set up with several of my friends to do some collaborations, but today I am coming to you with a fun festive eye for your holiday parties. It's just a string of lights. I have done it before. I think if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it there. I also do one with a Santa hat, but that one bothers my eyes so much. So this one I decided to do today for our video, and it's just a super simple look, honestly. And I hope that you don't have a hard time following along. I fast forward through most of it. There is no talking in it, so you're going to have some music over the top of it, and I hope that you enjoy it. If you're interested in finding out how I created this string of lights on my eye for a festive holiday look for your holiday parties, please stay tuned. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this festive eye look. I know I only did one eye, but it takes so long to do the one eye, and I have so much more to film. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this festive eye look, creating a nice like string of lights for your holiday party. I hope that you enjoyed this content. I hope that you enjoyed me. I hope that you're having an amazing day. I hope that you'll want to subscribe to my channel before you leave today if you're not already subscribed. It does help out my content, and you'll be able to see all the videos I have going on for Vlogmas this year, and because it's my first Vlogmas, so there's that. Thank you again so much for joining us today, and until next time guys.